what is records in Java. Imagine like cutting your 97% of Java boilerplate code with one keyword. So that's the power of record. So what record is? Records are immutable data classes that auto generate constructor and all the getter methods like get name, get age, get email. Okay. So from this code to this one line. So let's understand how the records work in Java. So records released in the JDK 14, which is in March 2020 as a preview feature. In then Java 15, the second preview with refinement, and Java 16 finalized the standard feature, and 17 plus stable with enhancement like pattern matching, sealed record. So today in 2025 all supported JDKs including records, no flags needed. I have main class here and it has a main method. I'm just creating object, a person, and passing some values to the constructor, right? The name and email, and then I'm just getting the values using person.getName. And for this I have written here private field, I have created constructor, I have created getters methods. All these things I need to do to just run this program, and you see I'm getting the record, the name and email address. So let me add age also. Okay, so I'll just write person.getAge, and then write sysout person.getEmail, and that's what I need to do to just get this data. But what if I told you can remove all these lines of code with just replacing with single line. So where it comes with a Java record. So I created one class with public personal records and just added a record keyword here, and inside this constructor I'm just adding the whatever the fields I need, name, age, email, and that's it. All the things are handled internally, like creating private methods, creating the constructor, creating the getter methods, all will be done automatically by the records. So let's see how it work in practical. Let me go to main, and here I'll just comment out this code and write new code, person record equal to new person record. Inside this, let me write bob20 abc@example.com, and that's it. So now using this person record, I can print anything. So person record dot, okay, so I even don't need to write a get also. Person records dot age, and finally I can write sysout person record dot email, and that's it. So even I don't need to write the getter here, and all the code is done. Now if I show you the example, you will see here this is the letter code. So I don't have any getter method, nothing, and I am able to fetch the data from this person record. So that's the power of Java records. So when to use records? Ideal for immutable data carrier, DTO configuration. When to avoid? You need to mutable fields or inheritance. Pro tip: combine with sealed interface for type safe hierarchies. Thank you. Try record for API request response object, database query result, immutable configuration. Please like this video, hit subscribe for Java 25 preview, comment your record question below. Thank you.